Hello, good evening. This is Teacher Saeed. Are you ready? I hope that you are ready. So let's begin. Short O. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's read some stories. A girl is visiting her great aunt who has a big house and a large, friendly cat called Noodle. It will soon be 3 o'clock, and the girl goes to wait by the cuckoo clock. On the hour, a small wooden door opens and a little wooden cuckoo pops out. Ooh, 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 it cries. Let's read a song. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? So we have ba, oo, k, bauk, book. Ha, oo, k, hauk, hook, hook. K, oo, k, kauk, cook, cook. F, o, t, faut, foot. G, oo, t, gaud, good. L, u, k, lauk, look. Wa, u, t, waud, wood. Wood, look, good, foot. Cook, hook, book. Wood, look, good, foot. Cook, hook, book. What can you see? I can see a foot. I can see a foot. What can you see? I can see a hook. I can see a hook. What can you see? I can see a wood. I can see a wood. What can you see? I can see a book. I can see a book. What can you see? I can see a cook. I can see a cook. Let's read. Cook, book, look, good, foot, wood, hook, brook, crook. Two men get to the woods. One man took a wood to a brook. So that's all for today. Goodbye and see you.